Let's play. Now we start. Remove a hair. Pop it a needle. Clear the pulse. Apply tube now. Use the laser. Heals lips. Wipe dry skin. Apply the cream. Cover with cloth. Apply lip shine. Use lipstick. Before and after. Round 2. Use tweezer. Put tube. Rub the sponge. Wash with shower. Use the trimmer. Apply wax. Use laser. Apply tube. Use skin roller. Whiten the skin. Before and after. Thank you for watching.